guys, this is a tutorial for BTS Fake Love featuring J-Hope. We're going to go over how to do the chorus. We'll be going through speed variations of 70% to 100. And we'll have some practice at the end. Fake Love for the chorus. We're going to start here, standing, feet just spread out a little further than your hips. And you're going to bring up your right knee and step back into kind of like a lunge. And your hips are facing at a 45 degree. From here, you're going to bring your arms up and throw and kind of let your hands go loose. And as you do that, you turn to that side. So you're going to turn over to your left or to your right side. You're going to bring up your knee on the other side, step down, and then throw it like that. Okay, so let's try that, just that part by itself. So 3, 2, 1, and go. Like that, okay? From here, we're going to step back with the right foot. And we're going to go 1, 2 with the left, and then step again with your right one. Okay? So after we finish there, it's going to go, I'll show you from a side view so you can see it a little better. So it's right, left, and then right again. Okay? From there, your hands, what you're doing with your hands, look at my hair out of my face. I'm not trying to look like a K-pop idol. I just haven't had a haircut in months. So this is what I look like. Anyways, so as you step, you're going to come down, right hand, left hand, and then throw it out like that on the third step. So I'll show you nice and slow. So right, left, step. Now, depending on which member you're following, some of them throw their head forwards. If you don't want to do that part, that's fine. You can just keep your head up. From here, you're going to bring your hands in. You're going to come out and then throw down like the letter V. Okay? And as you're doing that, you're kind of pressing your chest forwards as you throw down. So let's just do that part together. So we just finished through here. So you're going to go right, left, open, and then come down to the V. Okay? So we're going to add on that to the very beginning. Let's try them both together. So starting from here, 3, 2, 1, go. And from here, this part is going to be pretty quick. So let's just do the hands. Throw down for the V. Hands touch the shoulder. Switch. Then press on your head. And then you push your head to the side and do a little wave with the head. So let's just try that from the steps. Nice and slow. 3, 2, 1. And step, step. Open. And here, here, here. Push. Now, when you actually do this for the song, this is a very quick motion. It literally goes like that. You want to do it as fast as you can. So just practice that on the spot a few times. So come open and V, shoulders, opposite shoulders, touch the head, push the head to the side, and do a little bit of a body wave. Okay? And once you get here, you're going to cross your arms and your knees at the same time. And then you're going to do a sideways body wave this way. So it's like 1 and 2. Okay, so let's just try that from the head push. So head push, body wave, cross over, come this side. And then from here, you're going to step right, left. A little bit like before in the beginning, but there's only right, left. So you're going to go right, left. And as you do that, my hair is getting in my face a bit. As you do that, you're going to sharply throw right arm, left arm. Now the shoulder comes out very quickly, but the hand kind of follows it in a wave. More slow, like that. So it's not the whole arm really quick like that. It's quick, slow, quick, slow. From here, you're gonna drop down in here, like you're doing Gangnam style. It's kind of, it's like a lunge with a knee drop. And your arms cross over. From here, you drop like GME GameStop stocks. And then you shoot back up. So let's try doing just that part. Okay, so we'll start from the head push. So 3, 2, 1, go. Push. Other side. Yeah, so when you do the drop, really just kind of let your body fall very dramatically. In the hyperbolic time chamber, and the gravity just dropped really hard. This is one of my favorite parts of the song. This is kind of like a zombie. You're gonna step left, right, left, right. You're kind of letting your upper body just fall forwards, and you're stepping to the left, to the right, and then quickly left, right again. So let's just try that, just the feet. 3, 2, 1, and go. So be really relaxed with this one. You don't want to be tense. We're going to try adding the arms in really slowly. So when we step right, you do a shoulder roll, and you step you step left, you do a right shoulder roll, come up around your head when you step left, and then come this way, and then pull up your shirt like that on the 4th step. So like this, shoulder, head, side, pull up your shirt, point, and hop. Okay? So let's try just that part a little quicker. And 3, 2, 1, go. And pop. Awesome. Let's do all that together from the very beginning, and we'll go nice and slow from this part. Okay? 3, 2, 1, and go. Alright, I think you guys got it. I forgot, I kind of froze for a second there. I forgot what I was doing. So after we get here, this is easy. We repeat the part at the beginning again where we step right, left, open, come here, that move again. This is all the same. This part again. This is where it's different from here. Instead of dropping to the floor, you're gonna lean back and put your head back. Okay? So you bring your knee up, lean your head back, look at the ceiling, and then drop back. So let's try just that. So head back, step, and then you do like a breaststroke, and you step to the right, like you're wading through the water. And then sharply go left and right. When you do this, you kind of want to bend your knees a little bit like that and do a little bit of a drop. So it's right, left, right, and then you want to push your head. So it's breaststroke, right, left, push your head, and you're gonna spin. I think it's more than a 360. Push your head, spin, and then land with this foot back. So you're spinning clockwise, and from here you're gonna come up, cover your face with your hand, and look over to your right, and then do double pop with your heels like that. Then come up again, and pop one more time in like a prayer position. Come up and pop, okay? So how about we do all of that part together? So right from here, from the Gangnam style. So you're gonna drop into the Gangnam style. And so 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, good stuff. From here, after we do a little prayer position, we're gonna step, and we're gonna go, our head's leading like this. We're stepping forwards, hands on our knees, upper body is leaning very far forwards, and you're gonna go left, right, and kind of throw your head like that. You wanna imagine your head kind of being like a rubber ball, and it's going to bounce like that. So we go left, right, and bounce. And then from here we go left, right, left. And this is going up, you're going upwards. So from here, you're gonna come back and go bottom left, middle right, top left. And when you come here, you put your left hand to your head, right hand to your head, hand on your mouth, and then go like that. And that is the whole song. So let's try just that part, going from here. Okay, and we're gonna do all of that stuff nice and slow. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and go. And that's great. Okay, we're gonna do the whole song now. And we're gonna do it at 70% all the way through to 100%. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click down below. Join the Fire Nation. At the very least, I hope you guys got a good workout. And if you want to watch other tutorials, I have a lot of them for BTS. And I'm going to be branching out and doing some other groups. Anyways, you guys have an awesome life. Cheers.